Currently, the bottle fill rate on most packaging systems is 400 to 500 per minute. Reardon's new single-dose sorting, labeling, and packaging line has a capacity output of up to 1,000 bottles per minute. Bulk vial bottles are dropped in the hopper. The vial machine quickly sorts the bottles and places them in an upright position. The bottles are then labeled if needed. The vials accumulate. They are then assembled and packaged. This patent-pending multiple component packaging system was designed, developed, and manufactured by Reardon Machine Company.